Have you ever felt that gentle, quiet happiness at the end of a long day? Picture this: a tiny, fuzzy bee named LullyBee, all snuggled up by a magical little campfire. The sun has just set, and the forest is hushed and peaceful. LullyBee isn't buzzing around looking for nectar. Instead, she's found a smooth, warm pebble to rest on. Her delicate wings are folded, and she's holding her tiny hands out to the dancing flames, a sleepy, happy smile on her face. The warm orange light flickers, making her look even cozier and highlighting the soft fuzz on her body. It's a moment of pure contentment, a reminder to find your own little campfire and just breathe. Sometimes, the smallest moments of peace are the most beautiful.